Welcome to History Facts and News Digest. In today's video, we will embark on an incredible journey through time, exploring the rich and vibrant history of Pakistan year by year. From its ancient roots to its modern-day achievements, Pakistan's story is one of resilience, culture and transformation. Let's dive in. Our journey begins in the ancient era, around 3300 BCE with the Indus Valley civilization. This civilization, known for its advanced urban planning, sophisticated drainage systems and impressive architecture, laid the foundation for future societies in the region. Fast forward to the 6th century BCE, when the region became a crossroads for major empires and religions. The Persian Achaemenid Empire, followed by Alexander the Great's conquests, left a significant impact on the cultural and political landscape. In the centuries that followed, the region witnessed the rise and fall of various dynasties and empires, including the Maurya, Gupta and Kushan empires. Buddhism and Hinduism flourished, leaving behind an indelible mark on the region's heritage. By the 8th century, the arrival of Islam began to reshape the cultural and religious fabric of the region. The Ghaznavids, Ghurids, and later the Delhi Sultanate established Islamic rule, bringing with them new traditions, languages, and architectural marvels. The Mughal Empire, from the 16th to the 18th centuries, marked a golden age in the region's history. Renowned for its architectural splendor, including the iconic Badshahi Mosque and Lahore Fort, the Mughal era also saw significant advancements in art, literature and administration. The 18th and 19th centuries were times of turmoil and transition, as the region fell under the influence of the British East India Company and later British colonial rule. The struggle for independence gained momentum in the early 20th century, with leaders like Allama Iqbal and Muhammad Ali Jinnah advocating for a separate nation for Muslims. In the decades that followed, Pakistan navigated through periods of political instability, military coups, and conflicts with neighboring India. Despite these challenges, Pakistan made strides in various fields, from sports and science to arts and culture. Today, Pakistan stands as a testament to the resilience and determination of its people. From its bustling cities to its serene landscapes, Pakistan continues to evolve, blending tradition with modernity. Thank you for joining us on this historical journey through Pakistan's past. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to History Facts and News Digest for more captivating stories from around the world. Until next time, keep exploring the rich tapestry of our shared history.